guys. Mojave Desert in the morning. Some crazy winds, probably up to maybe 40 to 50 miles per hour around 2-3 o'clock in the morning, all the way to like 4. I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Turn on the vehicle so my Goal Zero can charge. Got about 62 watts coming in, and the output is 5.9 amps on this fridge, which is at 36 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. Got the vehicle ready to go for the next stop. Should be a lot of fun. It's cold, really cold, and beautiful landscape.
See at the top. Oh, dude, this is an art, though.
It's right and smooth.
Thank you.
Well, for this or not, or with the, I don't think you'd try it in two-wheel drive. Absolutely not. I don't think.
There. Beautiful job. No, I took that. Knock some mud off.
So do you want to do it? Yeah. Excellent.
Hi guys. Doing a little cooking here. Got some milk with sugar right about there. Got some coffee. It's about to come out pretty soon. Got some shumai with noodles. There's Sharon. Hi babe.
Hi.
What else do we have? Water. Sugar. There's our rooftop tent. In fact, let me show you. It's pretty awesome. Oh, we've been sleeping here for the last 2 days. We've been doing the Mojave Desert. It's a 3-day trip, completely primitive. There it is. Pretty roomy, pretty nice. Got our restroom right here. And this is our campsite.
It's ready.
There's Danny, Sabrina over there.
Can I put the milk?
And here's the coffee's coming out. Yes, you can. So we're doing a little bit café con leche. We didn't have coffee this morning because why?
Because we had to leave right away.
And because it was so windy on the other location. It was extremely windy, so we couldn't cook anything. So we have food pretty much ready to go, like sandwiches and stuff like that. There's that coffee. Let me lower it just a little bit.
Can you watch this?
Oh, that looks delicious. Look at that coffee. That looks amazing. Let's close it up. That way we can get a nice little flavor to that. There's a shumai with some noodles. We got our buddy over here, Jay. He went hiking.
This is the moment when you took a real nice shower.
Oh, just took a shower with the Saudi. Danny!
All clean.
Finally, I don't stink anymore. I even showered my head. Yeah. Now, how the heck I get out of here? Alright.
Figure it out, Joe.
I'm gonna need that chair to dry my feet. Can you bring that chair over? It's pretty cold.
His feet is very important.
Well, I mean, if I'm gonna wear socks and stuff like that, you know, you don't want them damped.
Huh? Relaxing?
Oh man, it's been 2 days since I haven't showered. We've been 2 days in the primitive area of Mojave Desert. And showering makes such a big difference. Look at it, I even showered my hair. This thing is awesome. From Cabela's. And then the Saudi that Danny recommended is pretty awesome. I wish the water was a little bit warmer, but it's okay. It did the job.
Wilderness, huh?
Yep. Pure wilderness. Love it.